Okay, level 2 exercise, just much the same. So sketch the graph of a half x minus 1. So again, crosses when y is 0, x is 2, and when x is not, y is minus 2. Anything under the axis flips up. Now, I'm looking to solve the equation when it equals 3. So I've got my graph, just put the line y equals 3 in there. This bit has been on the negative side, so when you remove the modulus, it's a negative in there. This side was always positive, so when you remove the modulus, it's positive, and just solve it out. Then in part 3, when is it under? Oh, they want it in that form, so I'll have to just take it in the inequalities. So that means I'm between 3 and minus 3. Add 1 to each side, and then times everything by 2. Get you that wee equation. Question 2. Sketch y equals sine x. 4, and so sine x is first, times it by 4, makes it 4 times as steep. Anything in the bottom is reflected up. So that's it. And then it says, how many solutions do you have to the equation 0.4? So just draw your line at y is 0.4, and you can see it intersects at 4 places. So 4 intersection points. Now, question 3, solve this. So you can see me drawing out the graph as normal. This bit's reflected up. I want when it is above 1. So draw the line y equals 1. On this side, when you're removing the modulus, it's a minus. On this side, it's a positive. Just check your answers. So x is a third and x is 1. So that is fine. Now, the question wants, when is the graph above this line? So the graph is above this line to the left. So x under a third, and to the right. So x greater than 1. Just there. Number 4. So we're going to sketch the graph 6x minus 2. So there's me drawing it again. And flip the bottom up. Then it's sketch the graph x equals the modulus of x minus 5. So again, sketch it. And then what we're looking for is for when one is under the other. So what I've done down here is I've drawn the two graphs on the same axis. I had a wee bit of thought here in this one. So here's my 6x minus 2x. And here's my x minus 5, 1. Find the intersection points. If you look at this one here, the black line was originally positive, so it remains positive. But the green line was originally negative. So make sure when you're removing that modulus, it's minus. And then just times it out. Over on this side, both graphs have been flipped up. So when you're removing the modulus, both have negatives. And just take it through. And then the question wants to know, when is the 6x minus 2, which is my black graph, when is my black graph under my green graph? So black is under green between these two lines. So it's between minus 3/5 and 1. And then the last part of this question, express your solution in this form. Okay, so if you have, we look now at me sort of messing around in this one, it is quite a strange way of writing it. If you look here, what that means, I've scored it out, but it gives me an idea. I basically want it written in that form there. So these ends must be the same. At the minute, my ends are not the same. So times everything by 5. And remember, I want the ends to be the same. If I subtract 1 from everything, my ends are now the same. So I can write that as 5x minus 1 less than 4. So it's a strange way of writing it.